Monster RX 93.1 presents the Concert Series. Live musical performances at the Monster Studios by today's artists. The Concert Series. Your host, Rico Robles.
Yeah, you thought it was Billy Corgan, huh? How you guys doing? Welcome back to the Premier Live Musical program on radio. It's the Concert Series here on the Monster. Good evening. How you guys doing? We hope that we'll put a soundtrack to your drive home and make sure that traffic is a little easier today. Joining us tonight on the show is pop artist Jao, who's taken on a new direction with his newly released single, Ikaw Lang Po. Jao has built a good number of following through his debut EP, Kabanata, containing his most popular song, Torpe. That's currently gained more than 7 million. Damn, that's a lot of streams, man. Pahin naman, konti, 10 lang, 10 lang. Okay, on Spotify, his lyrics circled on the highs and lows of love, and the groovy sound attracted people to him and his music, setting the standard. Although his upbeat and pop sound remains to be prominent in his songs, which perfectly captures the feeling he wants listeners to feel when hearing the stories of his song. Lyrically, he considers Ikaw Lang Po as a sequel to Kabanata. Parang yung TV show ng araw, abangan ang susunod na Kabanata. As it opens a new perspective towards love. We'll hear all that in just a bit, but for now, here is last week's act. Here is Gigi Delana on Front Act.
Monster RX 93.1.
Oh,
yay!
Hi, Jao. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. Welcome, and of course your band.
Yes.
I was like, Jao and the Mapas. Yeah. So how are you,
Classic.
man?
I'm doing well. Actually, kagagaling ko lang. I mean, nung weekday, nag-launch ako ng bago kong single.
Wow.
Which is very, very happy naman ako ngayon. Very proud sa sarili ko kasi naitawid. Kasi I was sick
For
that time.
what did you have? Chinismis eh, no?
Flu
Or
season kasi
you feel
ngayon,
better?
diba?
You feel
yeah,
better?
yeah.
Is it the shows? Is it the number of shows? And
Part of it. Part
Yeah.
yun. Pero siguro excitement, like pagod talaga. Yun. Pero masaya naman so far.
How long have you been doing all this?
4 years?
4 years.
3,
Wow.
4?
How did
Yeah.
it start?
Actually, nagsimula ako by doing covers sa TikTok.
Okay.
Then, ayun. Actually, covers lang talaga siya. Then sabi ng mga audience ko, sabi, what if try mo magsulat ng songs?
Mhm.
Sabi ko, sakto, kagagaling ko sa breakup nun.
Ay, that's a nice way to.
Sabi ko, okay, ayos to
Ano yung title ng una?
Blinded.
Blinded.
Kasi bulag ako sa mga pinaggagawa niya sa akin.
Paano mo nahuli? Ganun na. Chinisos. Paano nahuli?
So, ayun. Then, ilang papansin ako sa TikTok live ko kasi I was like doing like live streams every day dati.
How many hours in a day?
4 to 5.
Wow.
I was just like singing
everything.
Yeah.
Wow.
Then, yun, na-discover ako nung label ko na Police Records. Then, doon na nagsimula
So,
lahat.
Police, naghahanap talaga kayo sa TikTok? Ganun. Yeah, and then parang, uy, okay ito May dating siya. Ganun no?
Siguro nung time lang na yun, talagang,
Yeah.
oh my God. Yay.
You were singing your heart out.
Yeah.
So what do you think were the songs? Nagsimula when you were doing covers, of course. Do the numbers drive you nuts? Na parang, uy, tatlo lang nanonood, pero okay lang yan. Ganun. Do you really count the numbers? Or kanta ka lang ng kanta, bahala kayo sa buhay nyo?
Yeah. Wala akong pake kung may nanonood sa akin. Ganun. Tapos nag-enjoy lang talaga ako sa ginagawa kasi wala lang, I love singing.
And then when the label approached you, may mga original songs ka na nun? Wala pa?
Yes, meron na.
Really? Okay.
Pero like, I have like 10, 20 nung time na yun nung na-approach ako nung label ko.
And then, when in that in mind, with 20 songs in your artillery, pag ganyan ba, as a career path, parang, I want to do this professionally or ma-discover ako, is that the plan? Or is it more of like, uy, timing, may 20 songs ako sa notebook ko, nandito sila.
Parang ganun. Timing lang talaga. As in, dati hindi ko ina-expect din na makakapag-perform ako dito.
Yeah.
Maging artist ako na I'm gonna do this for a job.
Yeah.
Gagawin ko tong trabaho. Hindi ko ina-expect kasi dati talagang kumanganta lang ako for fun lang talaga. Pero it's just that talagang lumabas na yung artistry or yung creativity nung nakapasok ako sa label. And
So did they nurture your sound? Parang ganun.
Yeah.
Gusto natin.
Mhm.
Kasi nga, sometimes, you listen to so many different types of music. You don't know. Like, ay, okay ba to? Diba?
Yeah.
That kind of thing. You don't have the imposter syndrome naman.
Wala naman. So, Yun, tsaka sa label ko, doon ko din nahanap yung sarili ko. Kung sino ba si Jao.
Yeah.
Kasi back then, when I was starting music, parang I was copying this person. Pero ngayon, I finally found me.
And that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, some people would say, I don't want to sign a label, I'm indie. Di ba? But then you have too much freedom.
Yeah.
And you cannot find your own sound. Now, this
Actually.
time around, when you found your own sound, was it easier to write? Na parang, uy, ako to. Okay.
Yeah. Kasi parang may
Comparative-
pattern na akong
Yeah.
sinusundan eh. So yeah.
Yeah. So with how many songs now under your belt?
Unreleased din?
Yeah.
Siguro around 100?
Yeah, you're like Kanye West. You're gonna live off your songs for the
Pero-
next, di ba?
Pero ano siya, like hindi lahat 'yun pinaparinig ko sa A&R namin.
Only a
Kasi
few.
parang di ako masaya doon sa sound.
Ah.
Parang gusto ko lang, sinulat ko lang siya kasi yun yung feel ko nung time na yun. Pero to be na marirelease siya, hindi ko feel na hindi ko siya nakikita doon sa discography ko. Ano, parang,
So, for those that are tuning in, we have Jao. He's a new artist. He's with a label. He emerged from TikTok, then landing a deal and all that. So this will be a blueprint for every singer-songwriter out there
yeah.
na may future sa TikTok.
Yeah.
Diba?
Huwag kayong susuko, guys.
And then with the sound now, with the label, and you're writing your songs, how did it feel when you were hearing people singing your songs?
Iyak na ako. Hindi, very... Hindi ko siya ma-explain kasi hindi ko naman din inaakala din talaga na makakapagsulat ako ng kanta. What more na, yun nga, kakanta, naririnig ko pa yung mga ibang tao na nakikinig sa music ko, na kinakanta nila yung songs ko. Hindi ko makita yung sarili ko. Siguro, kung tatanungin ko yung sarili ko dati, na nakikita mo ba yung sarili mo na ganito? Hindi. Hindi ako maniniwala na kaya.
Yeah.
So, sa mga nanonood dyan, tuloy lang.
May sarili kang data. Huwag ka maki-internet sa kapitbahay. Ganun. But hey, you're pretty much the blueprint of all of this. Now, with music, okay, you get on the label, you have your songs being heard. I'm sure there are other artists that have, may nag-approach na ba sa'yo na parang, uy, let's collaborate.
Siguro meron na from Cebu siya. Then meron din ngayon natuloy na kalabel ko din siya si Aaron Rebustes. Meron kaming song out now, Abby. Pwedeng i-check yun. So far yun pa lang. Kasi ngayon medyo mas nagfo-focus talaga ako sa sarili ko.
Get your shows out there.
Yeah, yun
and
talaga yung focus.
Is there a
ko right
certain
now.
artist that you want to meet? Alam mo yung tipong, uy, rockstar na ako. I want to meet this person.
Si, kahit local?
Oh.
Kuya TJ Monterde.
TJ.
Pero na-meet ko na siya doon, pero if down siya for a song, why not?
Hey, call him out, TJ.
Kuya TJ, baka naman.
Yeah, why not?
Tara na.
What would be your song?
Siguro
What would that song be about? You know how he writes those heartbreak songs. And matagal din bago before TJ, really exploded.
Yeah.
He was really under the radar for quite some time, di ba?
Yeah. Siguro kasi nagawa niya yung darating din yun. Yung parang it takes time, parang ganun. Parang gusto kong gawin yun namin dalawa, pero yung own version namin dalawa, gusto kong gawin yun with them. So yeah.
You might be tuned in. You know what I mean? So alright, the songs today, what we're gonna hear, are these like from your latest album?
Yes.
Yeah, all of these. When are these songs written?
Sorry?
When? Kailan sinulat yung mga songs?
Actually, nag-start siya 2023 pa.
Okay.
So 2 years in the making to before ma-release this year, which is crazy.
What's the title of the first one earlier? Tatlong Buwan.
Tatlong Buwan.
Okay, what's the story behind that?
Tatlong Buwan is about a 3-month relationship. Kasi wala naman talaga naging relationship eh.
Naglokohan lang kayo, gano'n?
Niloko ko yung sarili ko.
Pero, you're coming from a breakup, so there's a 3-month rule. Is that the 3-month rule?
No. Yung 3 months na yun yung time na nabaliw ako sa tao na to. Yun yung parang compiled to one song, buong EP. Andito siya sa Tatlong Buwan.
And then, ang dami kang tanong, no?
Yeah.
When did you realize it's time to let go?
Nung may nalaman ako. She was,
may nag-send sa'yo? Or?
Ako yung, nalaman ko siya, actually car meet siya. Car meet siya noon. Tapos sabi ko, sino yung nakasakay doon? Ba't siya nakasakay doon? Sabi niya, baliw, girlfriend niya yun. Sabi ko, okay, sige. Tapos yun na. It's time to end it all.
And then you made a hit song. Hey! And look at her now. Look at him now. The girl watch it.
And nalaman ko nung kailan, this year lang, break na sila.
So
My DMs are open.
yeah,
Joke
yeah.
lang.
Live on the radio, my man. That's what it's all about. All right, so we're gonna hear some more. Señales. This is, and of course, Maghintay. You're gonna sing 7 songs. Yeah. All right, tell us a story with Señales.
Señales, actually ito yung first part nung EP. Ito yung first phases din nung experience ko dun sa tao na to na parang basically Señales is about mixed signals. Kasi magkaklase kami sa isang class.
Wow.
So, meron yung mga interactions na binibigyan ko ng meaning, which is very stupid of me. Bakit ko naman gagawin?
Normal yun. Yung tubig na inaabot sa'yo, naging holy water.
Yeah. Parang ganun.
Normal yun. I feel you. Okay,
Yeah.
we're gonna hear some more. If you have any questions, you have any comments, put it all in the box where you are watching this video or tuning in as well. We have Jao, got him live, the concert series, here on The Monster.
Hey Monsters! It's Kayla Rivera. To catch exclusive versions of songs played on this episode, visit the Monster YouTube channel at RX931. That's youtube.com/RX931 and listen live on air on FM radio Mondays 7 p.m. on Monster, RX 93.1. Now back to the concert series interviews from the Monster.
Yeah.
So yun na yung kabanata.
Yeah.
So nalaman mo, Jao is here. Of course, this is the concert series. This is his first time here. Over 100 plus songs already written. O ngayon, nalaman mong break na sila. Umaasa ka ba?
Hindi na.
Move on na.
Actually, nung time na nalaman ko ngayon na nag-break sila, tinignan ko yung profile niya. Parang nag-reminisce lang ako, tapos after nun, okay na.
Did you write a song about that?
No.
Does she know you wrote a lot of songs about her?
No.
Oh.
She doesn't know. So, yun siguro yung one thing na very cool dun na hindi niya alam, diba?
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
So, alam niya na sikat ka na ngayon.
Di natin alam. Di natin sure. I don't know. Actually, baka siguro narinig niyo na isang song sa buong EP. Pero, hoping na okay siya after nila mag-break up. Yun yung
that's the best that you could ever wish for somebody. You know, saka masaya, doon ka. Yeah. As simple as that. You are a true example of you could take a heartbreak other than, of course, Adam Levine. You're the other one, di ba? And congratulations.
Thank you.
Now, EP-wise, ilan songs na EP mo?
6 songs.
6 songs. So is there gonna be a full album, or is it more of like, okay, EP, this is like the early works, and then I'll have a full story album after that?
I wish. Siguro next year.
Let's
see kung we're still working on it. Kasi parang may binubuo din ako ngayong story, which is yung Ikaw Lang Po na recent release ko is story naman siya about sa parents ko.
Wow.
So,
love story nila. Ganun.
Yeah.
Oh, saya nun ah.
Yeah. So, kasi ngayon, I'm not... Guys, ito wala akong dinidate ngayon.
Yeah.
So wala akong inspiration para masulat.
Well, they do say that when you do pray, when you do wish for something, it has to be in detail.
Yeah.
You have to really have it all in detail. Isang pagkakamali mo sa detalye na yun. Diba?
Yeah.
Pero tulad ko, sabi ko, gusto ko motor. Dumating, maliit. Hindi mo sinabing malaki.
Yeah, hindi mo malaki. Hindi mo sinabi,
diba?
Yeah.
So you have to have it all in detail. So ano yung type mo?
Ba't biglang ganun?
Concert series to, pero alamin na natin.
Diba? Meron akong tinatawag na, I don't know if pwede ko ito sabihin. May tinatawag ako dito na ABG.
ABG. Okay, so
Asian baby girl.
Asian baby girl. So you have that look, yung parang Korean looking chinita.
Kinda.
Chinita.
Yeah.
Okay.
Para mapass naman namin itong chinito eyes ko din.
Yeah,
diba? Sayang naman. Diba?
May team kayo parang when you guys go out on dates.
Yeah.
Kind of you never know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Malay natin baka maging K-pop idol, diba?
Yeah, never know.
Diba?
Does it have to be in the industry?
Yeah.
O kahit regular na...
Oo, kahit non-showbiz girlfriend, ganun. Open naman ako dun.
Okay, open down. And if you're gonna take, that person out on a date with you, is it gonna be on your gigs? Would you tell, the person that you're a singer? Or no? Dapat di nila kilala?
Mas okay sa akin na alam niya para mas naiintindihan niya yung sitwasyon, lalo na sa mga schedule.
Yeah.
Ito kasi one thing na hinahanap ko din sa tao is yung maintindihin.
Kasi nga, most of the time, you're out on the road.
Yeah. And recently, yung mga nakakausap ko, yung mga past na nakausap ko, like this year, ang laging problema namin is yung hindi pag-iintindi na may ganap akong ganito. I'm gonna meet a lot of people. Then, doon na nagkakaroon ng conflict.
So, parang, sino ba yun? Sino yung kasama mo sa
Yeah,
picture?
yeah,
Jao,
exactly.
Ano ba? Akala ko tayo. So, how do you get yourself out of that situation? Ano yung lusot doon, di ba? I mean,
ang lusot ko doon siguro, ina-assure ko sila.
yeah.
Na, ikaw lang. Parang may song, yung latest single ko na, ikaw lang po. Yeah, ganun. Yun lang naman eh. Onting lambing lang,
Yeah.
ganyan. Alam mo, ikaw lang naman eh, ganyan. Okay na sila.
Okay.
Diba? Onting hug, onting... alam mo yun?
You already know. But you always gotta bring food first.
Yeah,
bring
actually.
food and feed the person before you talk to them about anything. Doon ka makakalisod.
Yeah.
Just giving you tips. So, di ba? Like, yeah, you know. That's what it is. Now, of course, when you do become a musician, you get signed by label. You gotta have goals. So, what's the goal for this year?
For this year, siguro, for my song, ikaw lang po na to do better than Torpe. Kasi parang yung Torpe ko na song, siya yung nag-set ng standard for me para sa career ko. So parang ang goal ko for this year is ikaw lang po to exceed kung ano yung na-reach
So, ano
ng
challenge
Torpe.
doon? Para bang, is it doing the harmonies better?
No, I mean like, mas marami pa siyang matouch na tao. So, yun yung main goal ko. Then for next year siguro, to release an album and to do more shows.
Yeah.
And yung shows ngayon medyo nagiging marami na siya.
Oh, great.
Very
Bare
thankful
months
naman,
na eh.
thank Lord.
Bare months na, you know, and there are so many different festivals
Mhm.
that are out there, and hey, wish you all the luck,
Thank you,
man.
brother.
What's
Thank
the
you.
ultimate goal as an artist? Were you gunning for an award? Is that like, you know, a Grammy, a Billboard?
Sana.
Beanie's in Coachella. I mean, come
Yeah.
on, you know.
What if Jao in Coachella, di ba? In 2 years?
That'd be cool.
Yeah, siguro, right now,
Puro Tagalog pala songs mo, no? Wala kang
Mhm.
English song.
ang English songs ko lang yung first song ko na nasulat, yung Blinded.
Yeah.
Yun lang. Buong discography ko, Tagalog.
So,
Then,
pag nag-Coachella ka,
yun lang.
ayun, di ba?
One song.
Opening ni Beanie.
Oo.
Yeah. No, pero if that could, I mean, manifesting, if that could happen, what would be your manifesto?
World tour?
World tour.
World tour. Kasi talagang nilook up ko din si Kuya TJ Monterde talaga. And grabe yung paghihintay na ginawa niya and also the grind from here to here. So, which is crazy. Kaya, yun, talagang siya lang yung nilook up ko talaga here sa
I
industry.
mean, did he ever give you any advice when you were starting that you could remember? That you
Hindi
could-
hindi siya direct na advice na parang sa kanya ko nakuha pero from another person na sabihin mo si ganito, ganyan. So, yun.
Ano yung sabi?
Is alagaan. Alagaan kami. Parang ganun.
Like, take care of yourself
yeah,
and your
yeah.
career.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, it's a long road.
Yeah,
It's a marathon,
yeah.
man. And what's your advice that you could give to independent artists that are starting music? Like my man Marco over here. He makes
Uy.
music too. Yeah. Musician yan. You know, other than that's a tech guy that we have here making sure you sound good. He's also into music. Who wants to break through TikTok and all that? Ano message
yeah.
mo?
Siguro wala naman ako sa position para gano'n.
You're here, right? You
Pero-
have an album, you know. You've been there. You've been to the 5 hours of...
Para sa akin, tuloy lang. Yun lang talaga. Tuloy lang, pusuan mo lang, tsagain mo. Kasi a lot of people ngayon na after 1 year, parang ayoko na. Parang may mga ganun kasing mga, lalo na yung mga musicians ngayon. Ang gusto lang nila is like, mabilis. Mabilis na ma-achieve yung mga bagay. Eh, hindi naman ganun. Diba? Good things take time. So, para sa akin, tsagain mo lang, mahalin mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo kasi in time, everything will fall into place.
And what's that sweet spot if you're going on TikTok live na masarap na mag-live na maraming manonood sa tingin mo?
Mag-live ka ng ng
Alas 2 ng umaga?
Hindi. Ang mga 8 p.m. onwards.
8
8 p.m. onwards. Yeah, kasi syempre nakauwi na yung mga tao. Nanood sila. Ano kaya magandang panoorin ngayon? Tapos sakto nag-land ka sa, interesting tao to. So, yun.
And then you
8 p.m. onwards, yun talaga.
So, 8 p.m. onwards. There
Yeah.
you go. Jao, thank you.
Thank you.
Message mo sa fans and for those that are listening, man.
Para sa mga nakikinig ngayon and also to my supporters, my Aerophiles, I love you guys. Alam niyo yan, you've been through like my ups and downs. Kasama ko kayo. Very thankful ako na hanggang andito na from covers, doon kayo. Ngayong nagre-release na tayo ng sarili nating kanta. Nandito pa rin kayo. And sa mga gigs, nakikita ko pa rin kayo. So, maraming salamat sa inyo kasi nagagawa ko tong passion ko as a job dahil sa inyo. Nakakakanta ako dahil sa inyo. So, yun, maraming salamat for the love. So,
such an example, man. Great story.
Thank
you for sharing with us your story. And how about your band? You guys got greetings? Quiet guys behind the...
Hello. Ako si Kolay. Hello. Kung sino mang friend ko yung nanonood.
Shy type. How about you, my man?
Hello po, si Jao. Shoutout kay Jao.
Shoutout.
And of course, our guitarist here in the corner with all the instruments.
Hi, I'm Gio. Shoutout to my mom.
Yay!
She's watching right now.
Wow,
What's up, Mom? How you doing? Well, Jao, you're going to take us out with 2 songs. You have 7 great songs for us. Thank you for giving us a little extendo. Okay, tell us about Torpe and Ikaw Lang Po.
Torpe. Ito, Torpe, very straightforward siya. Actually, hindi siya... Kasi meron yung sa internet, dahil siya like, nag-viral. Ang interpretation nila sa song is like, wag nang umamin. Parang ganun. Kasi baka masaktan ka lang whatsoever. Pero ang talagang main, talaga ng Torpe is, bakit ba ako Torpe? It's a song for yourself.
As Torpe.
Bakit? Yun yung, parang sa song na to, doon yun nilalabas yung frustration niya. Na bakit di ako makaamin kapag when that person's around? Ba't di ko siya malapitan? Di ko magawa yung gusto ko pagkasama ko siya, ganyan. So, yun, yeah.
And then, of course, you heard the story of Ikaw Lang Po.
Ikaw Lang Po.
And congratulations for the hit.
You.
All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. 2 songs for this guy. Let's give it up once again for Jao here on the concert series.
The concert series. Live on the Monster.